Hey, this is Marco. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Telegram messages. So all you have to do is open up Telegram and go to the bottom right under settings. Then you want to click on data and storage. And then you want to go to private chats, and this just saves all the media and the text that you have on your phone. So unfortunately, if you didn't have this already turned on, you won't be able to recover it. Same goes for group chat. But if you have it, or you have made a backup from your iCloud, you just want to reinstall the last backup just from Telegram, or you can delete Telegram as an app and then just install it again and then tell it to use the latest backup version of it, and that way you will get your chats back. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.